How to cancel order on AliExpress. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can cancel order on AliExpress, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you made an order, sometimes the order is not cancelable if it's already been a couple of days because the package might have already been shipped to the warehouse. Now in that case, the only thing you can do is get in touch with an AliExpress representative in order to figure out what the issue is. Now in another case scenario, if it's only been like a couple of hours since you made your order, in that case the order could still be cancelable. If you open up the AliExpress app, you're going to see this type of interface. Make sure you sign into your account as well. Then tap the account option from the bottom right of the screen here, and then from there you'll find the option here known as orders, where you can just tap the view all button here. As you tap on view all button, you should be able to see a list of orders that you have, and if it is cancelable, then you'll be able to cancel them. So then after you try to cancel it, it will basically go into the dispute folder here. So when it goes to the dispute folder, you should be able to see a list of ongoing current orders in dispute. So that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically cancel your order in AliExpress. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.